Nathan,
Hello.
how do we feel better about ourselves in a situation like this?
Eat cake.
Pull up, I'm suited, and you know I got my 20. Told that little bitch that she stupid. Heard you pull up in your coupe. Pull up, I'm suited, and you know I got my 20.
This is what announcing my time with drifting and what
No, you're gonna crash it and you're gonna wreck it, and we'll just do it again.
Yeah, that's better.
Heard you pull up in your coupe. Pull up, I'm suited, and you know I got my 20. Told that little bitch that she stupid. Heard you pull up in your coupe.
Got each other.
Pull up, I'm suited, and you know I got my 20. Told that little bitch that she stupid.
Amazing.
Oh baby, she burning.
Doesn't fit.
To me, to you.
I swear hard tops are bigger than MX5s. Seeing it, we'll just go.
Bye, bye, car.
We're gonna get paid.
Bye. Bye.
Shout out Low Origin.
Bye.
Oh god.
Oh, no.
You excited, Chris?
Don't know. I don't know how I feel.
Your car's gonna be purple the next time you see it.
I need a nap.
You need to eat, I think.
wake up and there's a Peugeot on my roof in the morning?
That'd be fun.
What you didn't hear about the Peugeot you just drove
Yeah?
was the real value of it.
I'd know the value of it, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a scary amount.
We're hoping not to tell you until you finish driving it.
I know I usually crash cars the first time I drive them, but
I had
I'm getting better. I'm getting better.
13 the first time and now it's 15.
Is it 15 now?
Yeah,
It's gone up in value £2,000.
It's twice the
Just
value.
in that journey?
Twice the value of your car.
Twice the value. That's optimistic for the Skyline.
Fancy. It's looking sleek.
Smooth body lines.
Wow.
Oh, you make it. Wow.
So I put water in my porridge, but we've got no spoons.
He's got no spoons.
Oh, we've got spoons. We've got spoons. I'm gonna go wash the spanner.
Nissan, yo. More than you can afford, pal.
Hey Ryan, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's called Stylecase. I do drifting sometimes, not all the time.
When did we last do drifting?
I can't remember.
Yeah.
March, mate.
We also blow up CAs and we rebuild them in a space of 2 years. So come back to our channel 2022 when we do some drifting.